हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। This writ petition is directed against an award of the Labour Court dated 27/7/2018 in bracket published on 6/9/2018 bracket out, passed by the presiding officer, Labour Court Noida, Gautam Buddh Nagar in adjudication case number 33 of 2018 between Kishan Bahadur and Tony Electronics Limited full stop. By the said award, the Labour Court has answered the reference made to it under Section 4K of the Uttar Pradesh Industrial Disputes Act 1947 in bracket for short the Act bracket out regarding the validity of termination of services of Kishan Bahadur in favor of the workman and against the employers full stop. The termination of the services of the workman with effect from 16/1/1996 has been held to be illegal and he has been ordered to be reinstated in service with full back wages, continuity and other benefits full stop para. It must be pointed out here that the industrial dispute was raised between Kishan Bahadur and Tony Electronics Limited, the employers full stop. Pending the industrial dispute before the Labour Court, Tony Electronics Limited was amalgamated into Super Cassettes Industries Private Limited, in consequence of which Super Cassettes Industries Private Limited took over as the employers full stop. They also took over all rights, liabilities and pending actions by or against Tony Electronics Limited full stop. Accordingly, Super Cassettes Industries Private Limited made an application to the Labour Court that the cause title of the industrial dispute pending before it may be appropriately amended to indicate the new identity of the employers full stop. The said application was made on 13/8/2001 and allowed by the Labour Court on 2/8/2002 full stop. In this judgment, Kishan Bahadur shall hereinafter be referred to as the workman, whereas the petitioner Messrs. Super Cassettes Industries Private Limited shall be referred to as the employers full stop para. This industrial dispute arose in relation to a unit of Messrs. Tony Electronics Limited situate at G34 Sector 11 Noida, since amalgamated with the employers under an order of the Registrar of Companies dated 13/12/1999 full stop. The employers unit was engaged in the manufacturing of audio cassettes full stop. It is said that the employers have moved over to production and promotion of films, music and marketing of electronic goods, since audio cassettes have become an obsolete technology full stop. The workman was employed as an air conditioner mechanic with effect from 1/3/1989 with the employers full stop. It appears that the workman was transferred from Noida Gautam Buddh Nagar to a unit of the employers situate at Malanpur district, Bhind, Madhya Pradesh by transfer order dated 3/7/1995, requiring him to join his station of transfer by 8/7/1995 full stop para. Shorn of unnecessary detail, the workman did not join at Malanpur in compliance with the transfer order last mentioned full stop. He was charge sheeted for the misconduct in not complying with the transfer order full stop. A charge sheet dated 19/8/1995 was issued to him full stop. A domestic inquiry was held where the workman was found guilty full stop. An inquiry report dated 14/11/1995 holding him guilty was submitted by the inquiry officer full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये हो गया है 120 प्लस की स्पीड में, ठीक है, विद फ्लक्चुएशन, और उसमें नाम भी आए हुए हैं कुछ जैसे किशन बहादुर और टोनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी है, ठीक है। तो 2 मिनट के बाद दूसरा डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे, क्रिमिनल मैटर। आप लोग जो भी पुराने हों वो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दें, जितने लोग देखे हैं वो लोग लाइक कर दिया करें। लाइक करने से ना वीडियो ऊपर फ्लोट करती है। और जो भी नए लोग हैं वो सब्सक्राइब और बेल बटन दबा दें। ओके। और कोई अपने कमेंट्स अच्छे बुरे जो भी हों वो बताएं प्लीज़, ताकि रेक्टिफिकेशंस कर सकें और भी वीडियो बनाने में। और जो भी डाउट्स हो पूछ लिया करिए कमेंट वगैरह में, ठीक है। सारे डाउट्स तो वीडियो में बता नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन हाँ जो भी मेजर रहेंगे या फिर डिमांडिंग रहेंगे उनको हम क्लियर करेंगे, ठीक है। तो 2 मिनट का रेस्ट लीजिए। ठीक 2 मिनट बाद 6वें मिनट से शुरू करेंगे क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। ओके। चलिए फिर 10 सेकेंड में शुरू करने वाले हैं डिक्टेशन। तैयार हो जाइए। स्टार्ट। Babu Ram in bracket PW1 bracket out lodged a written complaint in bracket exhibit P1 bracket out with the police station Churki to the effect that he had been informed by his nephew Sarman Singh in bracket deceased bracket out that when he Sarman Singh was plugging his field in the morning of 17/6/1982, accused Lakhan Singh in bracket A1 bracket out reached there and hurled abuses at Sarman Singh full stop. Lakhan Singh told Sarman Singh that he should not till the plot, otherwise he would be killed full stop. Sarman Singh reported that the plot does not belong to Lakhan's father and that though Lakhan Singh had been cultivating the plot by force, now Sarman Singh would not permit him to do so full stop. Heated altercation took place between the two and both of them abused each other full stop. Thereafter, Lakhan Singh went to his house full stop. Sarman Singh, after completing the plugging, came home and mentioned about this incident to Babu Ram in bracket PW1 bracket out. In the FIR, it is also reported that the relations between the two were strained and Lakhan Singh belonged to a different group in the elections for the post of village pradhan full stop. Sarman Singh had fought the election against Lakhan Singh full stop. Lakhan Singh had won the election full stop para. Immediately after informing Babu Ram of the incident, Sarman Singh went to get his agricultural implement in bracket Datua bracket out repaired from the carpenter, and the informant Babu Ram in bracket PW1 bracket out also accompanied him full stop. It was about noon full stop. As soon as they were crossing the house of Dasharath Singh, Sarman Singh told Babu Ram in bracket PW1 bracket out that Babu Ram should get the Datua repaired from the carpenter, while he in bracket Sarman Singh bracket out went to collect the price of the bullocks from Dasharath Singh full stop. Sarman Singh entered the courtyard of the house of Dasharath Singh and sat on a cot full stop. Informant Babu Ram in bracket PW1 bracket out went towards the house of the carpenter full stop. He had just reached the house of the carpenter when he heard some noise full stop. They were outside the house of Dasharath Singh, and Lakhan Singh pointed out that Sarman Singh is a big gunda. He should not be permitted to escape and he should be killed full stop. Ramji Singh in bracket A2 bracket out and Krishna Avatar in bracket A3 fired 3 times each from their weapons from the entrance of the house of Dasharath Singh full stop. The accused threatened all the persons present there that if anybody interfered, he would kill them. and thereafter the accused ran away from the spot, full stop, para. Thereafter Babu Ram in bracket PW1 bracket out went to the police station which is about 8 miles from the village and handed over the written complaint, full stop. Crime number 66/1982 was recorded under sections 147, 148, 149, 302 and 452 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 in bracket IPC for short bracket out against the aforesaid 6 accused, full stop. Thereafter investigation was done and the dead body of the deceased Sarman Singh was sent for post-mortem examination, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है, इसमें नाम काफ़ी आए हैं, बीच में हमने नाम काटे भी हुए हैं, PDF में आपको दिख जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो नाम देखिए इसमें नाम ज़्यादा आए हुए हैं, ठीक है। तो यही हम कहना चाहते हैं कि क्रिमिनल मैटर देखिए उसमें नाम तो आता ही आता है, ठीक है। कोई भी जजमेंट आप क्रिमिनल मैटर का उठा लीजिए, बिना नाम के बेचारा मैटर चल ही नहीं पाएगा, क्योंकि किसी ने कांड किया है, किसी को सज़ा मिलनी है, तो जाहिर सी बात है नाम आएगा, ठीक है। तो नाम जो भी आए आप उसको प्रैक्टिस कर लो, आप दो लाइन आप प्रैक्टिस कर लो। जैसे इसमें कुछ नाम आए हुए हैं ना, दशरथ सिंह। अब दशरथ कैसे बनेगा? दशरथ बनाने के लिए D बनाओ, सर्किल, अपवर्ड R, TH बना दो, ठीक है। तो ऐसे हो गया। या फिर आप कुछ ऐसा बना सकते हो, दशरथ है तो दश D सर्किल और TH बना दो, दशरथ से दशरथ हो जाएगा, ठीक है। वैसे ही सरमन सिंह है, सरमन सिंह को सर्किल डाउनवर्ड R M और उसमें N का हुक लगा दीजिए आप, ठीक है, ज़रूरी वॉवल लगा दीजिए, सरमन सिंह। तो मतलब कहने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुरंत ये सारी आउटलाइन आपकी बन जाएगी, ठीक है। ड्यूरिंग डिक्टेशन, जब डिक्टेशन आप ले लीजिए तो नाम वगैरह नाम छाट वाट लीजिए और जैसे हमने आउटलाइन बताई आपको वैसे ही अपना दिमाग लगाकर नई आउटलाइन बनाइए, उसको प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए। तो जैसे इस मैटर में आपने दशरथ सिंह, सरमन सिंह और जितने भी सिंह आए हुए हैं, लाखन वाखन, ये सब जितने भी हैं, आपने अगर इस पर दो लाइन प्रैक्टिस की हुई है ना, तो ये कभी भी आएंगे तो आपसे बन जाएंगे, पहली चीज़ तो ये। और दूसरा इसका बेनिफिट ये हो जाएगा कि लंबे समय तक अगर आप इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे नाम की दो लाइन, तो जो भी नया नाम आएगा ना उसमें आपका हाथ तुरंत चल जाएगा, क्योंकि आपको दिमाग आपका तुरंत पढ़ लेता है ना कि हमने सरमन डाउनवर्ड सर्किल के साथ R बनाया था, ठीक है। तो अगर श्री राम आएगा तो भी हम ऐसे ही बना सकते हैं, या फिर SHR बना सकते हैं। मतलब एक तरीके से आपका प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड काम करना ऑटोमेटिक शुरू कर देगा, क्योंकि भाई सीधी सी बात है, दिमाग खुद का भी तो काम करता है ना। तो ऐसे करिएगा। वीडियो चलिए लंबी हो रही है, इसीलिए अब हम काटेंगे, अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं, ओके।